Behold, the majestic zebra in its natural habitat. Wait, where are you guys going? Is there a sale? The discerning palate of the modern zebra. Today's special, sun-dried grass with a hint of more grass. Michelin's, here's Steve, enjoying a quiet moment. And there's everyone else. Steve's not invited to the cool kids party, it seems. But that's okay, because Steve has the bucket.
The bucket is the pinnacle of entertainment here. Better than cable.
This stunning zebra ranch is a creation of our robot overlords. And what a sunset. They're getting good at this.
Allricht, party is over.
Time to hit the hay.
Simon, single file. Karl, single file.
Dinner is served.
A gourmet blend of premium pellets.
It's a zebra salad bar, minus the sneeze guard. And to wash it down, the finest artisanal tap water. Hydration is key to maintaining these fabulous stripes.
Time for the evening spa treatment.
A deep tissue scrub and a refreshing rinse.
We call this the Z Dazzler. Time for your physical.
Heart rate is good, stripe alignment is perfect. Yep, your 100% prime zebra. And now for a fun road trip. We're headed to a special camp. A camp with lots of activities and lasers.
Welcome to camp. Your concierge will escort you to your suite. Keep all hooves and tails inside the container, please.
Gary and Phil are thrilled you've arrived. They give this experience 2 thumbs up.
We going to love what's next.
And here we are at the main event. The Stripe Cleaning Procedure Machine, or SKP.
It's a deep cleaning.
Wow, that machine really gets the stripes off. Ha. Well, look at these beautiful, freshly laundered. Our dedicated team ensures every single stripe is accounted for. It's a meticulous process, but we're committed to recycling. Step 1, the pre-wash cycle. You really gotta get in there to work out those tough grass stains.
Yeah, grass stain.
Then into the industrial washer for a good tumble.
Okay team, on 3. Perfect stretch.
This will look great. Quality control is paramount. Every stripe is inspected for vibrancy and sass. We wouldn't want a dull stripe. From our small batch, hand-smooth process, to our large-scale super soaker. We have a wash cycle for every occasion.
Next up, the hot tube.
A little R&R in our proprietary blender. Softening agents. After the soap, it's time for the wringing out phase. It's like a pasta maker, but for fashion. Our state-of-the-art Flat-Tastic 5000 ensures a perfectly uniform thickness.
No lumpy stripes on our watch.
Look at that system go. It's mesmerizing, isn't it?
The pinnacle of stripe flattening technology.
Let's give this a quick look. Yep, still looks like a zebra. A very two-dimensional zebra. Good to go. And now, for seasoning. A generous coating of our finest artisanal salt. It brings out the flavor of the design.
You can T-Reich perfection.
Each grain of salt is lovingly applied to preserve that fresh from the savannah look. The brushing team is here to ensure an even distribution. Think of them as the makeup artists of the textile world. For rush orders, we have the Saltpocalypse 9000. For when you must cure every single hide in the room. After a good scrub, it's time to marinate. This secret sauce gives our products their signature. Well, that's a trade secret. Chad and Brad demonstrate the traditional dipping method. It's a real workout, part of our commitment to authentic craftsmanship. From the big leagues to the minor leagues. Every piece, no matter the size, gets the same obsessive level of attention. Behold our kingdom.
A magical place where stripes are born. Again.
As something much more expensive.
Here, Brenda prepares another batch for the tanning salon.
It's going to get a beautiful, sun-kissed glow. For our deluxe line, we use the old world method, 2 guys, a tub, and elbow grease. You can really feel the history. They've been at this for hours. Their dedication is truly inspiring. And probably a little bit wrinkly. Now for the science. A bit of this, a bit of that. And voila.
The perfect chemical cocktail for fabulous fabrics.
And into the vortex it goes. we find that a good spin cycle really tenderizes the material.
Careful now, it's hot. Fresh out of the pot. Smells like victory and chemicals.
This part of the process is called the squeezinator. We're very creative with our naming conventions here. Every piece gets a good steam pressing. Wrinkles are the enemy of high fashion, after all. And here's the finished product. Soft, supple, and ready to be transformed. So much potential in one neatly folded. For the extra tough dirt, we bring in the big guns, the Hydroblast 5000. Powerful, yet surprisingly gentle on our...
It takes a village.
Or, in this case, 3 highly trained professionals to achieve the perfect level of clean.
Look at that detail. The texture, the craftsmanship. You can almost hear it whisper, "By me." And for the final touch, a spritz of our patented new zebra scent. EAU de Savannah, if you will. Allrecht, let us move them out.
These beauties are heading to the design department, where the real magic happens. But first, one last check. Is the pH level correct for optimal stripe retention? You bet it is.
Science.
This is the tanning process. It's like a day at the beach, but for textiles, and with more brown stuff. And it's done. Perfectly bronzed and ready for the runway. Or, you know, a very stylish handbag. Time to cool off. You don't want to work with an overheated pattern.
It gets cranky.
For that extra shine, it's into the chrome tanner.
This is what separates the amateurs from the pros.
Let's see. Texture is good, sheen is perfect. Yep, this one's a keeper. Ready for its close-up. But wait, what if you don't want the classic black and white?
What if you re-feeling a little blue?
Introducing our limited edition Smuffs Day at the Races collection. It's a bold choice, but fortune favors the bold. Just a quick rinse to lock in that vibrant, unnatural color. Nature is great, but sometimes it needs a little help.
Flattening out the blues.
This ensures your sadness is evenly distributed across the entire product. As you can see, our blue period is going very well. We're expecting big things from this line. Every piece is carefully inspected. We can't have happy-looking stripes in our blue collection. It would ruin the vibe. Now, using lasers, we cut our patterns with surgical precision. Because using scissors is for cavemen.
The future is now.
Watch our laser bots carve out the next fashion trend. Try not to breathe in the future fumes.
Whoops. Spontaneous combustion.
That just means the design is fire. Literally. Back to the old-fashioned.
Let us secure the material. We can have it running off again.
Safety first, then teamwork. One for the bag pile, one for the sleeve pile. It's like sorting laundry, but way more permanent. From the sorting station, the pieces begin their journey down the assembly line, where they will soon become stuff. It's a symphony of style, a ballet of manufacturing. Every person here plays a crucial part in the grand design. We've even got robots helping out. They handle the heavy lifting, while our human artisans focus on the details.
Behold, the cookie cutter of commerce.
It stamps out a dozen wallet patterns in a blink. Satisfying, isn't it? Every single piece is checked and double-checked. Is this piece shaped like a purse? Yes. On to the next one. But for our most exclusive items, nothing beats a steady hand and a keen eye.
This is true artistry. Precision is everything. We measure twice, cut once.
And then measure again, just to be sure. We're very thorough. Once the measurements are confirmed, it's off to the sewing department.
This is where the pieces of the puzzle come together.
Look at that focus. Maria is a legend with the industrial sewing machine. That zipper doesn't stand a chance.
The rhythm of the needle, the hum of the machine. It is the soundtrack of style.
After all that work, it's time for final inspection. Dave has an eagle eye for loose threads.
Nothing gets past Dave.
He's checking the seams, the drape, the overall wow factor.
It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it.
From the inspection table to the folding station, each jacket is lovingly folded, ready for its new life in a fashionable closet.
And there they are, a whole herd of them,
ready to migrate to the nearest high-end boutique.
But we don't just make coats. We've got footwear too.
Watch a flat piece of fabric become a fabulous shoe.
Each pair is boxed with care.
Meanwhile, in the custom shop, a master craftsman puts on the finishing touches. Generations of skill are stitched into every seam.
You're not buying a coat, you're buying a piece of his soul. No pressure.
The head designers give their final approval. A slight adjustment here, a thoughtful nod there.
Perfektion.
Passing the craft on. You need the right amount of glue, he says, or you'll lose a soul on Fifth Avenue. Over in accessories, the handbag team is putting the final hardware on our signature tote.
It's all about the details. Another masterpiece ready for the archives.
Or, the sales floor. They're basically the same thing. The way the stripes align on this shoe is breathtaking.
You rewrite, Kevin. It's truly a work of art.
Before it leaves, every item receives a final polish and a protective coating, so it's perfect when you unbox it. Packaged in our signature box with velvet lining, because presentation is everything. From our warehouse to the world, our delivery fleet is hard to miss. We believe in brand consistency.
The final destination, LuxQuery, where fashion dreams come true and your credit card gets a good workout. From the planes to the factory, to you.
The incredible journey of a stripe.